Unit 13, Fractions, Decimals, and Percentages. First, I will talk about equivalent fractions, percentages, and decimals. What is equivalent fraction? What do you mean by equivalent fractions? Let's say we have any fraction like 3/7. You can multiply numerator and denominator by the same number to get a new fraction. Like you can pick 4 maybe. Then you will get 12/28. So 12/28 and 3/7 are an equivalent fractions. One more example. If you have 2/50, you can multiply by 2. You can pick any number, but focus that you have picked the same number for both numerator and denominator. You will get 4/100. And you can use the division. 2/50. Both sides can be divided by 2 to get 1/25. So 1/25 and 2/50 are equivalent fractions. 2/50, 4/100 are equivalent fractions. Okay, what about the percentage? What is a percentage? Any fraction with denominator 100 can be written as a percentage. Like 8/100 can be written as 8%. So you will write the percentage sign instead of this 100, which is 8%. And you can write 17/100 like 17%, which means 17%. What about 2/50? You can't write it as a percentage because you don't have 100 in the denominator, but you can make 100 by making an equivalent fractions. You can understand, or you can notice that we made an equivalent fractions from 2/50 by using the multiplication to get 4/100. So 2/50 is equal to 4/100. So you can write it as a percentage, which is 4%. One more example. 9/25. You can't write a percentage since you have 25, but you can multiply both sides by, yes, you can multiply it by 4. Because 25 times 4 is equal to 100. So this fraction is equal to 36/100, which is equal to 36%. So instead of this 100, you will write the percentage sign, okay? What if you have a fraction like 5/16? You can't find a number that you will multiply by 16 to get 100. So you can use a calculator. You will need to write 5/16 times 100%. Why? You will not change the value, you just need to change the shape, because 100% means 100/100. So exactly we are going to make an equivalent fraction of 5/16. So you will multiply 5 times 100 divide by 16 and leave the percentage sign, or 5 divide 16 times 100. So first of all, write the percentage sign and use your calculator to evaluate 5 over 16 times 100. Okay, 5 divided by 16 is equal to times 100 is equal to 31.25. 31.25%. One more example. 19 over 32. So you need to multiply 19 over 32 times 100%, which is equal to, leave the percentage sign, and you need to evaluate 19 divided by 32 times 100 by using calculator, which is easy for you. 19 divided by 32 times 100, which is equal to 59.375. So if you have a fraction, you just need to multiply by 100%. What about the decimals? If you have 2.17 and I'm asking you to write 2.17 as a percentage, we have a rule, or you can use the same way here to write the decimal as percentage. You need to move the decimal point to the right two decimal places, which means 2.17. If you need to write 2.17 as a percentage, it will be, you need to move the decimal point to the right two decimal places. It will be 217.0, which means nothing, 0.0 percentage. One more example. This is a rule. 0.013 as a percentage will be, you just need to move the decimal point to the right two decimal places. 1, 2, it will be 1.3%. One more example. 2.071 is equal to, if you need to write the decimal number by a percentage form, 1, 2, so it will be 207.1%. One more example. Write the fraction 36 over 80 as a percentage. Don't forget, you need to multiply 36 divided by 80 times 100%, which is equal, use the percentage sign and use the calculator. You need to divide 36 divided by 80 times 100. So 36 divided by 80 times 100, which is equal to 45%. What about 0.0045 as a percentage? It will be 0.45%. So now you can write the fraction or the decimal number as a percentage by using your calculator. One more example. Write the fraction 3 and 1 over 4 as a percentage. You need to change the mixed fraction to improper fraction. Remember, multiplication, addition to get 3 times 4 equal 12, 12 plus 1 equal 13, 13 over 4. So you need to write 13 over 4 as a percentage. The rule is 13 over 4 times 100%, which is equal to percent sign, your calculator. 13 divided by 4 equal times 100, 325. Again, we need to change improper fraction, mixed fraction to improper fraction. So you need to write 13 over 4 as a percentage. The rule is 13 over 4 times 100%. By using calculator, 13 divided by 4 times 100 and then use the percentage sign, okay? You just need to divide 13 by 4 times 100. You need to solve some exercises from page 204, and if you have any questions, just send the question for me, please. Thank you.